Walk through. First office. Coming out. Bathroom with a shower. Nice. I got a little kitchen area here. Kitchen. Let me come in. This is all double doored here. Double doored. Coming into this main, this would be the control room. Pretty decent sized room. Get another double door system here. Going through. This would be the live room, one of the live rooms with drums. And we got the roll up door out here. Another live room. Some guitar amps or something in here. We got 3 vocal booths. This vocal booth opens up, it's got XLR panels. And we got this vocal booth that opens up. And then it opens up into another one that's in here. You can't really see it, but there's another door in there that goes into another vocal booth. Okay. And then up in the front here we got the bathroom. Their office. Glass window right in between. It's nice. Another office.
That door goes outside.
That's outside. Those 2 doors face each other, right? Yeah.
Each other.
Okay.
In front of the truck doors.
Okay. And we got a reception area right in here.
Show them the outside here too, where it goes out.
Just going outside. Two roll-up doors. That's about it.